This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. Infinox positions itself as a flexible, execution-focused broker, designed to serve both retail and more experienced traders who want choice without unnecessary friction. The platform supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, giving traders access to forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies through a familiar trading environment. Execution is built around ECN and STP models, allowing traders to choose between tighter spreads with commissions or commission-free pricing with slightly wider spreads. Liquidity depth is a strong point here, with fast order execution and minimal requotes during normal market conditions, which appeals to scalpers and intraday traders. Infinox also supports advanced tools like copy trading, VPS hosting, and automated strategies, making it suitable for traders who want to scale beyond manual execution or run multiple systems simultaneously with consistent performance. The advantages of Infinox include platform reliability, competitive spreads on ECN accounts, flexible leverage options, and a wide selection of instruments across major and alternative markets. Multiple account configurations allow traders to adapt the setup to their strategy rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all structure. Customer support is frequently mentioned as responsive and helpful, particularly during onboarding, verification, and initial funding stages, which reduces friction for new users. On the downside, higher leverage may not be suitable for inexperienced traders, and some users report that advanced tools and integrations require time to configure properly. While the platform is well-rounded from an execution standpoint, it does not heavily differentiate itself with proprietary analytics, built-in portfolio intelligence, or deep institutional research layers. Infinox was founded in 2009 and has steadily built its reputation as a global broker focused on execution quality and account flexibility rather than aggressive marketing or promotional gimmicks. Over time, it expanded its regulatory footprint and product range, positioning itself as a mid-tier broker that balances accessibility with professional trading features. Its growth has been gradual and consistent, appealing primarily to traders who value platform stability, transparent trade execution, and predictable trading conditions rather than social trading hype or short-term bonuses. Pricing reflects that flexibility. Traders can choose between STP accounts with no commissions and ECN accounts where spreads are tighter and commissions apply per lot. Minimum trade sizes start from micro lot levels, making it accessible for smaller accounts, while leverage options vary depending on jurisdiction and regulatory restrictions. Account types include individual accounts, joint accounts, and corporate accounts, allowing both retail traders and business entities to participate. There are no hidden platform fees for standard trading activity, but optional services such as VPS hosting, premium add-ons, or enhanced execution tools may carry additional costs depending on usage. Overall, Infinox pricing structure prioritizes transparency and choice, allowing traders to pay for execution quality rather than bundled extras they may not need. ICM.com positions itself as a professional-grade broker focused on execution precision, transparency, and broad market access. Traders get exposure to forex, indices, commodities, equities, futures, and cryptocurrencies through MT4, MT5, and C-Trader, giving flexibility for both discretionary and strategy-driven traders. The platform emphasizes low latency execution, deep liquidity pools, and pricing that favors active trading rather than marketing-heavy incentives. Advanced charting, expert advisor support, and customizable order types allow traders to build structured strategies without unnecessary platform friction, making it suitable for systematic traders as well as manual scalpers. One of ICM.com's strongest advantages is its balance between professional tools and accessibility. Traders benefit from solid risk management features, negative balance protection in applicable regions, and consistent execution even during volatile market conditions such as major economic releases. Educational content market commentary, and analysis tools are available to support informed decision-making rather than impulsive trading, helping traders stay aligned with broader market context. On the downside, the interface can feel more technical for absolute beginners, and traders looking for heavy bonuses or gamified features may find the environment more serious and performance-oriented. Some users also note that platform depth means a short learning curve before becoming fully comfortable with all features. ICM.com has an established operating history, having launched in 2009, giving it a long track record across multiple market cycles, including periods of extreme volatility. Over the years, it has focused on regulatory alignment, institutional grade liquidity, and global expansion rather than rapid promotional growth. This history adds credibility for traders who prioritize broker stability, capital protection, and consistent execution. While it may not feel as lightweight as newer platforms, that structure appeals to traders who value discipline, transparency, and long-term reliability over quick experimentation. In terms of account structure, ICM.com offers several clearly defined options. These include the ICM Direct account, designed for traders seeking raw spreads with commission-based pricing, the ICM Zero account, focused on tight spreads with transparent costs, the IC Standard account, which combines spreads with no separate commission, and Islamic accounts that remove swap charges for Sharia-compliant trading. Fees, spreads, and commissions depend on the chosen account type and traded instruments, and conditions can vary by market and region, so traders should always review the latest details directly on the official site before funding an account. Looking at public feedback, Infinox currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.6, with traders frequently praising fast execution, stable MT4 and MT5 performance, tight ECN spreads, and generally smooth withdrawals. Many comments highlight reliability during high-impact news and consistent platform uptime. ICM.com also holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.7. Customers often mention transparent pricing, professional execution, and strong overall trust, while occasional feedback points to the platform being better suited for serious traders rather than complete beginners. Final takeaway: if your priority is fast execution, flexible account structures, and a broker that consistently performs for active traders, Infinox delivers a streamlined, execution-first experience. If you're looking for a more professional, institutionally oriented trading environment with deep liquidity, long operating history, and multiple advanced account options, ICM.com stands out as a strong long-term choice. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that truly matches how you trade, manage risk, and build confidence in the markets over time.